Okay, so we're going to find the relative extrema. We're going to use the second derivative test if we can on number 27. All right, so first thing, we're going to find the first derivative. So we get 3x squared minus 6x. Okay, and on to the side, I'm going to find the second derivative because I want to see if I can actually even use the second derivative. So second derivative is 6x minus 6. Cool, I can use it. All right. So I'm going to set the first derivative equal to 0. I'm going to pull out a 3x. I'm going to set both factors equal to 0, getting a critical value of 0 and 2. Okay, so I take these exact numbers and I plug them into the second derivative, and it will tell me if I have a relative max or min. So I'm going to plug in 0 into the second derivative, getting me 6 times 0 minus 6, which gives me a negative number. Because I get a negative number, that means that I have a relative maximum at that point. All right, next I'm going to plug in my other critical value, which was 2. And when I plug in 2, I get 6 times 2 minus 6, which is positive. And because I get a positive, I have a relative minimum. It is weird because the negative tells you the maximum and the positive tells you the minimum. All right, so now I can plug directly back into the original function to find the points. So I'm going to plug in 0 into the original function. So 0 cubed minus 3 times 0 squared plus 3. 0, 0 plus 3. So this is 3, 0 for my relative maximum. And I'm going to plug in 2, and I get 2 to the third minus 3 times 2 squared plus 3. So this is 8 minus 3 times 4, 12 plus 3. And then negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So 2, negative 1 is my relative minimum.